The first impression is the bust like a statement piece. The shape of it and the geometry that we're looking at is quite timeless.
The design of it and the fact that Kaldewei is such a long-standing company, so obviously that's really impressive, along with the warranty being 30 years, so all of those combined make it a really strong product.
Meisterstück Classic Geo Oval is a product that combines a perfect balance of design and functionality, made in Germany out of 100% recyclable steel enamel.
The lines, it's a real feature, so especially in the setting with the backdrop of the palm, the clean lines, the texture, the smoothness of the finish.
I would say the design is quite sleek and can actually blend with any kind of design.
Scratch resistance, it obviously keeps it looking fresh for a really long time. And the UV, with it being obviously in this position too, so both of those are going to keep the product looking fresh.
The sustainability aspect of it helps a lot with the LEED certificates. The other feature would be the various colors, and it can actually come in different finishes, which is something very important nowadays. You can match it to your design, you can be more flexible with that as well.
That it can be incorporated with different styles of faucets. I think there's the opportunity to also have bespoke finishes as well, so that opens up for some products.
The current range of colors are quite interesting actually. They are more of like a neutral tones mainly, or earthy tones. So if there would be an area for changing, maybe we would go with some vibrant colors. Looking at hospitality aspect, most of the operators, they would like to have a product that can last for longer times. So I think the material that we're talking about right now, which is the steel enamel, this is something you want to pay for. A steel enamel is much more lighter in weight, and it's a modernized version of the cast iron.
It's obviously becoming more popular with the sustainability, the fire retardancy. Although it's more expensive, the plus points, really outweigh kind of the cost implications. You're paying for the quality and the luxury, but again, it has all of these features which you may not get with other brands. It's really interesting, the fact that even from the beginning of the process, waste material is reused. And obviously sustainability and the cradle to cradle it's really important, and so now as a designer it's one of those elements that we really focus on, not just us but hoteliers, and this element is probably one of the most important parts now within product design.
Such a way of thinking to recycle things and to care for our planet has to be done on all aspects. This is what we're looking at now, and this is what we're looking for.
The enamel has like stain resistance, the inbuilt slip resistance. So in comparison to say polymers, you're going to get a product which lasts a long time. We
always design for longer periods. Maybe you want to save money and you want your hotel to be running for longer, either a hotel or even a residential project. Paying a little bit more right now, but then you will save it on the long run.
In terms of the touch-free properties, the guest experience is something that is quite important.
I think if we're speaking about the touch and how you feel things, this is part of the luxury experience anyways. As a luxury guest, you want to touch everything, you want to feel the value of the products that you're dealing with. If you touch this product compared to an acrylic bathtub, it's a different touch.
Yeah, as a whole product, like the properties, sustainability, the aesthetic, it's got so many different benefits, as well as it being a product which is well known. The longevity make it an attractive product for us to want to specify.
The range of accessories that comes with it, like this kind of the cushioning, and maybe changing the color of the waist and being versatile with the different finishes. I think this is something like an attraction point as well to that product.